Hello children, good morning everybody. Welcome to our channel Is Smart Study. In today's class we are going to discuss our 8th lesson, that is our body. Our lesson name is what Nana? Our body. So about this lesson we are going to discuss detailedly today. Okay? See, our lesson name is our body. So before starting the lesson they have given one activity here, warm up. So here what are there, Nana? Some sense organs are there. What they have given, see, match the body part with its function. So what that body part will do, you should match according to it. First one, eye. With the help of eye, what will see, what will do, we will see. Yes or no? So a bit answer is C. A is eye, that is second. Next, ear. With ear, what do? We will hear the voice. Yes or no? Music or everything. So B is 4. And coming to the C, tongue. With the help of the tongue, what do? Nana? We will taste. Yes or no? So C bit is 1. And moving to the last one, nose. With the help of the nose we will smell, right? Yes. So D bit is 3, smell. A is see, eyes seeing, ear hearing, nose, sorry, this is what? Tongue for tasting and the nose is for smelling. Clear? Yes. Now we shall start our lesson. See here, Nana. What is there here? You must have ridden a bicycle. A bicycle is made up of so many parts: wheels, pedals, chain, brake, seat, belt, stand, and so on. Yes or no? You all might have ridden a bicycle. Yes or no? You all will be having bicycles. Many times you have ridden. So what parts will be there for that bicycle, Nana? If you observe these wheels, seat, handle, pedal, wheel, everything will be there. No, and back on the seat, all these parts will be there for the cycle. Each part has a different function. Yes or no? One part is having one function, means seat we will use for seat, for sitting. Yes or no? Handle we will be using for changing the directions or like that. Pedal we use for cycling. Yes or no? Front and down we will be doing. Yes or no? So wheels they will be moving. So one part is having one work, one function. If all these parts are there, only a cycle can work. Yes or no? A cycle is a man-made machine. Man-made machine means a machine which is made by the man. So who made this cycle? Man has made this machine. And next, sorry, here I have forgot. Each part has a different function. All the parts are necessary for the proper working of a cycle. The cycle should work properly, means each and every part is important. If all the parts work properly, only the cycle can move forward. Yes or no? A cycle is a man-made machine. We also see a lot of other machines in our surroundings. Around us daily we will be seeing the various types of machines. Yes or no? Our body is also like a machine. Similarly, like cycle and different machines, our body also will work like a machine only. Our body is also made up of many parts and each part is important. How cycle and different machines are made up of various different parts, our body is also made up of the different parts and each part is very important in our body. Clear? Yes. Now see here, next one. Zooming it, Nana. See, how is our body? Just now I told our cycle is made up of many parts. Our body is also made up of many parts like cycle. So our body is made up of cells, just as a wall is made up of a bricks. So our body is made up of what, Nana? Cells. Cells means what? Nothing but just I told no. Wall is there. On the wall what will be there? Various bricks will be there. If we join many bricks only, it will become one wall. Yes or no? One after one brick they will be keeping and they will be constructing the wall. Similarly, our body is also made up of the cells. If we combine many cells, our body will be coming. Okay. See, this is the cell. What is cell? You might have seen like this. It is the circular. This is the shape of the cell. Okay. Next, cells of the same type combine together to make the tissues. So all the cells which are in this shape, the same types of cells will be combining many cells and forming the tissues. So if you see, this is one cell, this is other cell, this like this, many cells have joined together and they form the tissue. Like how many bricks, how the bricks will be there in the wall. If you see, this is one brick, means beside one brick they will be keeping. Yes or no? And up one brick. Like that, all bricks they will be keeping and they will be constructing the wall. Similarly, these cells also, different types of cells are joined together and forms a tissue. Next, tissues together make an organ. Again, these tissues together, if we join many tissues, what will be coming? What will be coming? Organ. Many organs together form an organ system. And if all the organs, many different types of organs are combined together, it will be forming the organ system. Okay, this point is very important, and nothing but our body is made up of what? Means you should say cells. And if we combine many cells, what will be getting? Tissue. And if we combine many tissues, what will be getting? Organ. If we combine many organs, what will be getting? Organ system. So this system is very important. So how is our body made up of? Means you should say that our body is made up of cells, and if we combine many same type of cells, we get the tissue, and if we combine many tissues, we'll get the organs, and if we combine many organs, we will get the organ system. Okay, this is important. Okay, now we shall see what all are the different organ systems we have in our body. Okay, such as say different organ systems like respiratory system, digestive system, circulatory system, skeletal system, muscular system, nervous system, and reproductive system. So all these are the different types of organ systems which are present in our body. So what are the different systems? Respiratory system, digestive system, circulatory system, skeletal system, muscular system, nervous system, and the reproductive system. Let us read about them. One after one we shall discuss in detail. First one is what, Nana? Respiratory system. What is meant by respiratory system? We shall learn now. See here. You all know that respiratory means nothing but it is regarded the lungs. See, I will read the para and explain to you clearly. Our respiratory system consists of our nose, windpipe, and lungs. So what will be there in the respiratory system means nose, windpipe, lungs. Okay, these all will be present in the respiratory system. Nana, what all are the parts present in the respiratory system means you should say nose, windpipe, and lungs. So what this nose, windpipe, and lungs will do, we shall learn now. When we breathe in, air enters our body through our nose. Yes or no? Whenever you take the breath inside, if you take breath through what? It will be going inside with the help of the nose. So when we breathe in, air enters our body through our nose. Whenever we breathe, the air will be entering into our body through which part, Nana? From the nose, the air will be going inside when we breathe. So this process of breathing in air is called as the inhaling. Whenever we breathe, air will be going inside with the nose. So this process, the process of breathing in of air is called as the inhaling. Okay, what is meant by inhaling? They will ask you. It is important. Breathing in air is through the nose is called as the inhaling, you should say. Okay, inside our nose there are many tiny hairs. Tiny means what, Nana? Small. Remember, not say large. It is small. Tiny means small. So inside our nose, what will be there, Nana? Some small hairs will be there. 2 nostrils will be there. If you observe, small hairs will be there inside the nose. So what these hairs will do means they filter the dust in the air and prevents this dust from entering our body. So what these small hairs will be doing inside the nose means whenever you breathe the air, in the air some dust particles will be there. So whatever dust particles are there, these small hairs will be sending them outside, and only the fresh air they will be sending into our body. Understood? This is the reason why we should breathe from our nose and not from our mouth. So that is why whenever we breathe the air, we should breathe from our nose only, but we should not breathe from the mouth. Why? Because if we breathe from the mouth, all the dust also will be going inside which is present in the air. But if you breathe from the nose, what will be happening, Nana? Whatever small hairs which are present in the nose, they will be sending all the dust particles outside, and they will be sending only the pure air, fresh air into the body through the nose. That is why now onwards breathe only with the help of the nose, but don't breathe with the mouth. Clear? Next, from the nose, the air goes down the windpipe and then enters the lungs. First, when we breathe, I told that the air will be going to the nose. From nose, where it will be going, it will be going into the windpipe, and windpipe onwards it will be going into the lungs. You can see here in the picture, this is the nose. When we breathe air, these tiny hairs will be there in the nose. All the dust particles it will be sending outside, and only the fresh air will be going from nose into the windpipe. See, this is the windpipe, you can see blue color. From this windpipe, where it is going air into the lungs, it is passing into the lungs. So they will ask you like this, what are all the parts represent in the respiratory system? Means you should say nose, windpipe and lungs. And whenever we breathe air through the nose, the dust particles will be sent out through the tiny hairs, that is small hairs present in the nose, and from the nose the air will be going to windpipe, and from windpipe it will be going to the lungs. Clear? This is about the respiratory system. Next, what they have given you, see? Yes. The lungs are spongy air-filled bags present inside the chest. So where will the lungs will be present means Nana, inside the chest. Where the lungs will be there? Inside the chest. How the lungs will be there? It's some spongy air-filled bags. You might have seen sponge, that means dust. While teacher is rubbing the board, you will be seeing the sponge, no? So the lungs also will be there like that, air-filled bags, like balloons they will be there, okay? Whole the air will be filled in the lungs. Where this lungs will be present means inside the chest. In the lungs, the oxygen from the air is absorbed in the blood and is carried to the various parts of the body. So in the lungs, what will be happening? In the air, the oxygen will be there. No, whatever oxygen it will be there, it will be absorbing from the blood and it will be sent to the various, that means different parts of the body. This oxygen is used to burn up the food we eat and gives us energy. So what this will oxygen go to various parts of the body and do means it will burns the food whatever we eat and it will be giving us the energy. And during this process, whole this process going on, at this time what will be happening means carbon dioxide is also formed. Along with this, the carbon dioxide gas also will be formed. It is sent out of the body when we breathe out. And how this carbon dioxide will be going outside means we will be breathing the air outside, right? And when we breathe outside, this carbon dioxide, that is wastage, will be going outside. And this breathing out of air is called as the exhaling. This is also important. Before I told you breathing in of air is called as the inhaling, no Nana. So breathing out of air is called as the exhaling. How do we breathe out air? When we breathe outside the air, the carbon dioxide wastage will be coming outside, and this process of breathing out of air is called as the exhaling. Okay? Yes, completed. So this is about the respiratory system, Nana. What you should remember means, what are the parts of the respiratory system means you should say nose, windpipe and lungs. And how do we breathe with the help of the nose means you should say, when we breathe the air with the help of the nose, that process of breathing in air of is called as the inhaling, you should say. And when we breathe, we should breathe with the help of the nose only, but not with the mouth. Why? Because when we breathe with the nose, whatever small hairs which are present in the air, they will be sending all the dust particles outside and they will be allowing only the fresh air to go inside the body. And from the nose, the air will be entering into the windpipe. This is the windpipe, and from windpipe they will be going into the lungs. Yes or no? In this way we should breathe. And in this process, what will be happening? Where this lungs will be there, one point they may ask. You should say that the lungs are present inside the chest and they are like spongy air filled bags. Sponge, like every time air will be filled. Yes or no? In the lungs? Yes. And from there oxygen will be absorbed from the blood and it will be sent to the various parts of the body. And this oxygen, when it is burned, whatever food we eat, the oxygen will be burned up and we will be getting the energy. And during this whole process, some carbon dioxide, that is wastage, also will be coming outside. How it will be coming outside means when we breathe the air outside, the carbon dioxide will be coming outside. So breathing out of air is called as the exhaling. Clear? This is about the respiratory system, Nana. Now we shall move to the next topic. What is there here? See. Do you know something they have given? We shall read. See here. Some interesting facts they will be giving you here in this green boxes. In do you know? No. See here. We take about 16 complete breaths each minute. So in 1 minute, how many times we take breath? It's 16 times we will be breathing in 1 minute. This means that in 1 hour we take around 900 to 1000 breaths. So for every 1 hour we will be taking 900 to 1000 breaths. In 1 day, that is 24 hours, we take around 24,000 breaths. Okay, in 24 hours 24,000 breaths we will be taking. Next, try it out. What they have given, see here. Starting with the inhale, arrange the given words in order of the respiratory system. Just now I told inhaling, exhaling, process, oxygen, carbon dioxide, everything. So those words they have jumbled. That is the function of the respiratory system. All the words they have given in jumbling order. They are asking to arrange in the proper order. See what are there? Inhale, lungs, carbon dioxide, nose, oxygen taken, exhale, windpipe. So first what will come Nana? They told to start with the inhale. So process of breathing in air is called inhaling. After inhaling, what will be happening with what do we inhale? With the help of the nose. So nose is the second one. From nose where it goes, the air goes to windpipe. This is the third. From windpipe it goes to the lungs. After lungs, what will be happening, Nana? Oxygen will be taken inside. Yes or no? After oxygen taking inside, wastage will be formed, that is called as the carbon dioxide. And this carbon dioxide goes out through a process called exhaling, that is breathing out of the air. So this is the seventh one. According to this order, you can write here down neatly. Okay. Now see, first one we have completed about the respiratory system, right? And now we shall move to the second type of system, that is the digestive system, Nana. Okay. See here what is meant by digestive system we shall learn now. The process of breaking down of food into simpler forms which can be used by the body is called as the digestion. That means nothing but whatever food we eat, once only can we eat whole? No, we should break into small pieces and eat. For example, a burger is there. Whole burger can you eat at a time? No, you will be cutting into small pieces and eat. Yes or no? So this process of breaking down of food into simpler forms which can be used by the body is called as the digestion. So in this process, if you eat only, the proper digestion will be going. So without eating properly, without breaking the food into small parts, simply if you swallow the food, will it digest? No. So whatever food you eat, you should break into small parts and chew it properly and eat. Then only the food will be digested properly. So this question is very important, Nana. What is digestion? They will ask you. What you should say? The process of breaking down of food into simpler forms which can be used by the body is called digestion. So this is the definition of the digestion. Clear? Next, what is there you see? What all are the parts of the digestive system? We shall see here. Our digestive system consists of our mouth, one minute, Nana. Yes, see here. Our mouth, food pipe, stomach, liver, small and large intestines, anus. Here you can see parts of the digestive system. See, mouth, see this is the mouth, food pipe, liver, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. So these all are the different parts of the digestive system. See how the digestion process will be gone, we shall see now. Digestion begins in the mouth while we are chewing our food. So digestion starts from which part of the body they will say. So what part you should say? The digestion process starts from the mouth. So whatever food we eat will be entering the food with the mouth only. Yes or no? So the digestion process starts from the mouth. The digestion begins in the mouth while we are chewing our food. Chewing ante namaladam. Okay, when we start biting and chewing our food, the digestion process will be starts from our mouth. Our teeth grind it into a paste. So whatever food we chew, our teeth will be making it into a paste. Yes or no? How in mixie, if we keep anything, it will be making into the paste. Our mixie is what? Our mouth only. Whatever food we eat, the teeth will be making it into the paste. What food we eat. And our saliva. Saliva means what, Nana? Ummu. Ummu antam kada. So our saliva makes the food soft and moist. So our saliva will be there in the mouth. It will be keeping the food soft and moist. It will be soft and moist. Moist ante tadi temaga antam kada. That one. The food after becoming soft moves down the food pipe into the stomach. Then after mouth, what I told, when we eat the food, after chewing the food, the teeth will be making the food into the paste and the saliva keeps the food into the soft and moist, and after that from the mouth the food will be entering into the food pipe itself. After food pipe it will be entering into the stomach. Here you can see mouth, from mouth it is going to the food pipe, from pipe it will be going to the stomach. In stomach what will happen, we shall see now. In the stomach, the food mixes with the stomach juices. So in our stomach some juices will be there, those juices are called as stomach juices, Nana. So in the stomach what will be happening, whatever food is gone from mouth to food pipe, then the stomach, the food will be mixing with the stomach juices. These juices help in the digestion of the food. So why these juices are useful means they will be helpful in the digesting the food. Till here have you understood or not? Whatever food we eat, what will be happening, we should chew. So the teeth will be making the food into the paste, and the saliva will be keeping the food soft and moist, and later from the mouth the food will be entering to the food pipe, and food pipe it will be going into the stomach, and in stomach some juices will be there, and that juices will be helpful in the digesting the food. Next point, from stomach where it will go, we shall see now. And see now, from the stomach the food goes into the small intestine. So from the stomach the food is going into the small intestine. So this is the small intestine, and inside yellow color one, okay. And this is a long tube where the food is mixed with the more digestive juices. So this small intestine is a very long tube, like pipe it will be there, and there also some more digestive juices will be there, and there the food will be digested there, okay. In the small intestine also some juices will be there, the food will be mixed with all those digestive juices. Next, in the small intestine the digested food is absorbed by the blood and sent to the different parts of the body. So what will happen in the small intestine, the food will be mixed with the various digestive juices, and whatever food is digested it will be absorbed by the blood and it will be sent to the different parts of the body. Understood till here? I told in stomach some juices will be there, the food will be digested with the help of the stomach juices, and from there the food will be going to the small intestine, and in small intestine also again some digestive juices will be there, the food mixes with the digestive juices, and what will happen in the small intestine, whatever food is digested it is absorbed by the blood and it will be sent to the different parts of the body. Some parts of the food like fibers and seeds. Fibers అంటే ఏందన్నా పీచు పదార్థాలు, కీరా, దోసకాయ, all this will be there, no? Cucumber, still what's sorakkai, birakai, all these are the fiber food, and the seeds also. So such type of food will be not digested itself, okay. Even they are sent through the small intestine and mixed with the digestive juices. Some food will be like fibers and seeds will be not digested in the small intestine itself. Then where they will go? These move to the large intestine. So they will be moving to the large intestine from the small intestine. From here the undigested food is pushed out of the body through the anus. From there what will be happening? So from the largest intestine whatever food is not digested it will be sent out of the body through the anus. That means wastage will be coming outside now daily. So it will be coming outside through the anus. See here something they have given. The food pipe in the humans is about 25 centimeters. Food pipe I have shown, no, that will be on 25 centimeters itself. Means our long scale will be 30 centimeters, no. In that 5 centimeters if we reduce, the food pipe will be 25 centimeters itself. And if we see the small intestine, it is 6 meters long. That means very big. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. You all know that. So 6 meters is equal to how many centimeters, Nana? 600 centimeters. So small intestine will be 600 centimeters long. So that much big one. So if they ask you the question in our whole body, which is the largest organ also, you can say the answer as small intestine. So small intestine is the very big organ among all the organs in our human body. It is about 600 centimeters long or 6 meters long. Clear? This is about the digestive system, Nana. Okay, once I will explain you detailedly about the digestive system. See here, digestive system means nothing but what all parts are there. I told you mouth, 1 minute. Yes, mouth, food pipe, liver, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, all these are parts of the digestive system. What is digestion? They will ask you. What you should say? The process of breaking down of food into simpler forms only is called as the digestion, and these all are the parts of the digestive system. And whenever you eat the food, we will send through the mouth, and in the mouth when we chew the food, the teeth will be making hold the food into the paste, and the saliva, that is ummu, it will be keeping the food soft and moist, and later from the mouth the food will be going into the food pipe, and from food pipe it will be going into the stomach, and in stomach I told for you some digestive juices will be there. So the food mixes with the digestive juices, that juices will be helpful for the digestion process, and again from there food will be going into the small intestine, and again in small intestine also some digestive juices will be there, the food mixing with the digestive juices, and the oxygen will be absorbed, okay, whatever the digested food will be there, no, it will be absorbed by the blood, and from that blood it will be sent to the various parts of the food, various parts of the body, whatever digested food is there. But some type of food like fibers and seeds will be not digested in the small intestine, I told. So that type of food will be passed to the large intestine. Again from small intestine whatever food is not digested like fiber and seeds will be passed to the large intestine, and in the large intestine what will be happening, from there the wastage will be going outside with the help of the anus. This is about the digestive system, Nana. So this question is very important. They will ask you what is digestion and how the food will be sent from mouth to the anus. This process whole you should explain. Just now how I told. Okay. And next system, that is the circulatory system, I will explain in the next class, Nana, because today it became more respiratory system and digestive system we have learned. Till now it's enough for today, and we shall continue in the next class. And if you like our videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Smart Study with your friends also, okay, so that your friends also will learn about all these topics, because it's a lockdown time, much classes are not going on, and even in online class also we are not able to understand clearly. So that is the reason I am posting all these videos in the YouTube. So in the YouTube means wherever you want, if you have not understood anywhere topic, again you can rewind the video, you can go back and watch again and